Hi, this video is to help you install probing in the Mastercam interface. A couple versions back, Mastercam purchased Simco Probing to make Mastercam Probing as part of your add-on of products that Mastercam offers. First thing we need to do is we're going to have to go to the Mastercam website. After we're there, we're going to log in, and that's going to take us to the My Mastercam website. We'll go into Downloads, and then we're going to select the version that we want. In our case, it's going to be Mastercam 2026, Windows 11, and I'll scroll down to the add-ons, and there's Mastercam Probing. I'll select Downloads, and then in my case, I had it download to my Downloads folder. You can put it wherever you want. I'll right-click from there and select Run as Administrator. I'm going to go through the motions to install it, select Yes for account control. I'm going to select the language that I prefer, which is English. I'll select the agreement for the licensing that I accept it. Next, and I'm going to go and select documentation, post, tools, and content to be added also. I'll select next and then install. It only takes a few moments. And now we hit finish. I'm going to take a look at my Mastercam window and notice my older Mastercam 2026, or the earlier one that I opened, doesn't have Mastercam Probing here. I'm going to right click and open up another version of Mastercam. And as we can see now, Mastercam Probing has been added to the tab bar across the top. I'm just going to open up a file here that I already kind of created. This is just a basic block. And if I go into my Mastercam Probing, I can see that my cycle probing, if I click on this, I have workpiece alignment, datum. So if I want to select and create a G54 on a location, like for instance on the outside of this, I can. Workpiece inspection, I can inspect holes, sizes, locations. I can have probe detection, so it slows probes down around stuff and it doesn't want to hit it or wrap it and break it. I have our probe setup here, our tool settings and breakage here. We can go and have reports that are generated from the control. But real quick, I'm just going to show you that if I go into datum and I want to do a rectangle outside, so we have rectangle 5 points, rectangle outside. I'm going to select that. The interface will pop up. We can go and use any kind of lollipop that you would possibly have. In our case, we already have a library specifically for Renishaw. So if I scroll down to my Renishaw, I can go and select it. And I'll go ahead and green check. And now there's my Renishaw probe. And like I say, it works on any kind of lollipop. I'll just right click. You notice that we have stock set up already. I'm just going to right click on here and go from stock. It's going to put it in the middle of the part at X, Y, and Z 0. I have a plane selection that comes up. I'm going to green check on that. And now you can see that the width of the part is 4 by 4.25. I'm going to go to a measuring height. Then let's just make this minus 0.25. And then I'll go to a safety distance of 0.2 and then a clearance height of 1 inch. Now you can see it built it as we go. I would select down here, what do I want for my fixture offset, extended work offsets, or a regular G54, and I'll just go ahead and check. Now if I was going to backplot, you can see it happening for us. Okay, and that was just a generic grabbing of a probe. That's not representative of maybe what your probe is or anything like that. But it's that simple. So if you have any questions, give us a call at Sierra CAD/CAM. Our number is 530-268-8508. And for technical support, hit extension 2. Thank you.